Hey guys, you are here with Faye from Raven Faye Special Effects, and today we're going to do something a little different than I usually do, but I figured now that I've been working at Sephora for a little while, for a couple months, since January actually, 6 months, long time, half a year actually, that's a really long time. I'm not new anymore, but whatever. Anywho, so I get to try out a bunch of stuff from Sephora, which is pretty dang awesome. So I figured I would start making videos of me trying on skincare products or new products that are coming out, whatever, and just kind of see what happens. So today we're going to try the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. This little guy right here. And literally what I'm going to do is, because this is what I do every time I try a new product, I'm going to read what the Sephora website says because it's a super convenient thing. It's actually the app that I'm using. Has a whole bunch of cool information. So, what is the Mud Mask? It is a mud mask featuring zinc and copper to cleanse and purify the skin, aka your skin's PFF when it comes to needs a detox. So I've actually got all these pimples and stuff like that are all up here and here, not quite pimples, but I don't know, bumps. So I figure maybe it's time for a detox. This is what it does. It is made with zinc, copper, and white clay. This mud mask cleanses and purifies pores, absorbs excess sebum. Let's look up what sebum is right now, because I have no idea what sebum is. An oily secretion of the sebaceous glands. Sebaceous? Tell me if I'm saying that right. I don't know, I hope so. Anywho, so it absorbs excess oil. I don't know why they couldn't just say that and be extra, but I'm glad I learned a new word, so that's good. Reduces appearance of blemishes without over drying. Skin is left clean, matte, soft after each use, which I like, because a lot of times when I use mud masks, I feel like I end up really, really dry. So you can actually use this as an overall mask or as a spot treatment. I'll be using it as an overall mask because, you know, why not? I also read the how to use section on the app. Suggested uses. Use 1 to 2 times per week. This will be my first time. Apply an even layer over face and neck, avoiding eye area. Massage for 1 minute and allow to sit until the color changes when dry. Rinse well with warm water. So, that's what we're going to do. So, I already took the top off. It's got this cool little thing with a little tab in it. I like those a lot. I've noticed a lot of products have it. This is what it looks like. It's gray. Looks like charcoal. It smells like very earthy. Let's just say that. It's probably zinc. I don't know. Cold. That's probably because my room's cold. I'm going to put that thin layer. See all those little chunks in there? Look at close up afterwards. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and massage it in everywhere now that I've got it placed. I hope this is enough around the neck. It feels very chunky, very gross. Honestly, burning a little bit right around here and right around my cheeks. I have noticed on me though, I'm pretty sensitive skin. Or I'm not sensitive skin. Well, that area is kind of sensitive actually, because some other products that I've started using kind of hurts. Also, you can see it's already starting to dry up around the edge areas. So let's go ahead and just keep massaging this in. Get rid of the toxins. Release the toxins. So I think I've rubbed it in where I wanted to rub in. I took maybe 3 or 4 scoops, I think. I don't know, I'll have to count. That's how much it took for the whole face. But I'm going like all over. smells very, very interesting. Very earthy, kind of woodsy in a way. And it kind of burns right in here and right in this cheek area, like I said. Right now, I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm going to go ahead and go get a bowl of warm water and have it ready so that we can clean it off. I'll be right back. So, progress report for this. It feels super itchy, super duper itchy, and I really want to just hit it. It's like I got black boogers. Okay, I'm gonna put that on there. I literally look like a dry lake bed. That's what I feel like. The spots that are wet, where the clumpy parts, I feel like I have like, I don't know, weird black acne. I don't know. Maybe I'm an alien. It's a little wet still there. Doesn't burn anymore, so that's good. That's exciting. I mean, maybe that means it was working. I don't know. But so far, it feels very interesting. I had some crusty parts fall off. It feels really weird. I just want to take it off. Now it's starting to itch, especially around, well, I guess where it burned it kind of itches. Interesting. Alright, so I think it's dry enough. Dry enough for me anyway. I've got my lovely little bowl of warm water here. And I have a microfiber rag for my face. And I have my dog breathing in the background. But I don't care. So, yeah. You know what? I guess I'll put it on the rag and then wipe it off from there. Sounds like a good idea, right? Clean, not too messy. I don't know where to start. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Alright. Ugh. Feels weird. Say hi, Kenji. Scarlet. I have a lot of dogs, just in case you guys don't know. I'll tell you how many dogs I have. I have 5 dogs and 1 cat in my house. Thankfully, I live in a big house. That's really nice. But I've got 2 huskies. 1 husky is mine. Another one who's young and bad. She'll eat all your shoes. And then I have a corgi and a chihuahua and a lab. All the other dogs are my roommates except for Kenji, but basically they're all my dogs because, well, we all love them and we all take care of them. So I heard at work at Sephora, I don't want to be too rough on my face, so I'm doing light circular motions. I just realized that I was doing really hard, so I'm just going to go back to a nice soft circular motion so I'm not all hurting my face or making me stretching out skin. Alright, so that was it. That is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. Hopefully it purified these little pimples I was getting. Usually it will take a little while for me to see big results. But my skin does feel really, really smooth, really soft. It's like a dry smooth. It's not like a baby's ass kind of smooth, but like, it's just like dry smooth. I don't know if that makes any sense. I also don't know everything I'm doing or talking about, so whatever. I'm just sharing my experiences with you. Well, if you like that video, make sure to subscribe to my channel somewhere around here-ish, I think. I don't know usually where I put it. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about it. Let me know if you've tried this mask, what you thought about it, if you liked it or not. I kind of feel like it might be really, really good for oily skin. And I have pretty normal skin, so I don't know. But I like to use it, especially because I wanted to purify this area here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my channel. I really, really appreciate it. And go ahead and make sure to check out some of my other videos, wherever they may be. Here maybe, here, maybe even over here. I don't know. We'll see. They'll be somewhere around the corners. But yeah, we'll see you next time. And as always, check you later.